how to withdraw money from Phantom wallet. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, we'll walk you through the entire process. First things first, start by opening your Phantom wallet. You can use both Phantom on your mobile or as a browser extension on Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once you've opened the app, you'll need to unlock your wallet. If you've set up biometric login, use your fingerprint or face recognition. Otherwise, enter your password to access your funds. Once you're inside, you'll see all the different cryptocurrencies in your wallet. Find the one you want to withdraw. After that, tap the send button. This will allow you to send your crypto to another wallet or exchange. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal address. This is the address of the wallet or exchange where you want to send your funds. Make sure you double check the address. If it's incorrect, your funds will be lost. You can either paste the address manually or scan a QR code as well. After entering the address, it's time to input the amount of you want to withdraw. Phantom allows you to choose a custom amount, or you can tap the max button if you want to withdraw all available funds. After that, you need to confirm the transaction, then it will process on the blockchain. You can monitor the status on the Solana or Ethereum blockchain explorer as well. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see a confirmation, and that's it. Your withdrawal is now done.